I am Dr. G. Anandi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Economics. I handle the subject Industrial Relationship Management. Now, I explain the introduction and functions and features, objectives of industrial relationship. So, industrial relationship means is the relationship between employer and employee. Is an internal person. External person is a relationship between a government. So, relationship between employee and the employer is called industrial relationship management. Is making a decision. Is a decision about employer and the employee. That is called industrial relationship management. So the term the industrial relations commonly denotes employee and employee relationships. Is a so two rule of the organization is an employee and the employee. Is an internal person, the external person is a government. So only to convey a message, employer ordering a message to one employee has to obey for that work. There is a relationship between employer and employee. So industrial relationship is in the part of the management, which is the concern with the manpower of the enterprise, whether the machine operator, skilled work or manager. Is the industrial relationship is called labor management, because in a labor management is called relation the employer and employee, so it's called labor management. So employee-employee relation is a dynamic and developing socio-economic process. Is a coin, simply is called as two sides of the coins of the relationship. One is one side is called cooperation, another side is conflict. So cooperation is a coordinate with an employer and the employee. Conflict is that there is no misunderstanding between employer and the employee. That is called two-side coin of the industrial relationship. That is called an employer and employee. So what are the features of industrial relationship? Industrial relations do not emerge the working there or born out to the employment relationship on an industrial settings. Is a focus and study of attitude relationship and the practice, procedure, development, and connecting your parties resolve on the least minimize conflicts. The conflicts is a misleading. First, any one employee appointed, first you have to give one training. You have the training, given information how to do the work, where do you do the work. You have to explain to train up that an employee has to do that. Here the employee, the reason employer is a movement is a positive movement to an employee. Otherwise, an employee is not a cooperate with an employer. There is sometime one employer to another employee to another employee is a misunderstanding between any conversation or any one work. So that avoid the conflict is teamwork is very important, easily to finish for that work. So involve the study of a condition is conducive to the labor management cooperation and the practice and procedure. To follow the practice and procedure to any one organization, company or any one company, you have to start at your first registered at the companies at 1956. You get on a license from one year government. Then there is a follow the rules, a statutory legal requirement to follow that. So the procedures also followed by any employee also. So there is any features. It studies the law, rules, relation, agreement, awards of the court, customers, tradition, as well as the policy framework down by the government. So any you have employee, any one employee is a good worker, is a dedicated hard worker. Employer is a motivated employee. He has to do on your work more work. I mean, so many times spent to that organization. So appreciate a given award. Award is a given bonus and promotion. Promotion for that area. You given educational loan to provide to one family members to help to the family member, poor family member. So the reason one of the awards to one employee. So employer motivated an employee, others also to see for that awards and bonus. It is your most worker to that institutions. That is motivate to an employee to an employee. Makes of a depth analysis of the interference of patterns of the executive and judiciary is legal activities in the regulation of labor management relations. There is features. So factors of an industrial relationship is institutions. You have to plan for that and what to do, where to do, who to do. You have to plan for that. You have to get new industries. You have to start it. First, you have to plan. So collect the idea from on your friends and public, on your friends and relations in the public. So then you have to select it from your institutions. Characters. You have to what you do, how to do that, and yeah, character you have to select a reason. Yeah, the reason, yeah, not at all only for an employee to the complete for that and yeah, industry work. You have to appoint it upon your employees. So employee appointed upon your the right person appointed at the right place. So we are all employees selected for on your right person is a qualified person is appointed for that and your place. So the reason yeah, character is there a method. So is there a or institution is a different method is followed by one institution to another institutions. Same product introduced by so many company, but the formulas and designing and packing is differ from one product to another product. That is a method. Content is a hand-to-hand joining. Is a hand-to-hand joining to complete for that and your work is in industrial factors. So you have to follow by any institutions and your character, method, content. You have to follow by the industrial relations and enables. Then what are the objectives of one industrial relations? Improvement of economic conditions of one workers. So workers improvement of economic condition means in the employee develop on status of his in a family. The reason improve of on your financial statement. So a financial status. So that the employer motivate the employee increment of on your salary or give on your bonus, appreciate for any work or profit sharing to on your employee. That is for that time employee earning of on your more amount. So the improvement of on your status. State control over the industrial undertaking due to regulating production and promoting hormones in industrial relations. The reason is socialization and the rationalization of industry by making state itself a major employer. Is an investing of property, interest of the worker industry in which they are employed. So economic stated conditions and the promoting of the industry is in a priority interest of the workers is there the employees and objectives of an industrials. There is a scope of the industrial relation. Labor relation, there is a relation between a labor union and the management. Labor union means in the employee is in a head is called on a labor union. Is a relationship between the management. A employer and employee relationship between the management is a new good understanding, positive understanding on your employee. The role of various parties to employers and employees maintaining an industrial relations. The mechanism handling conflicts between the employer and employee is to avoid the conflicts between the employer and the employee, because the misunderstanding between the employer and employee, if that work is not completed, then that is not on the development of the companies. So you avoid the employees and misleading. So the employees and conflicts is in a labor relations and a good relationship between management and a labor union. Is a important uninterrupted productions means is the flow of income for all. This means a continuous employment for all the from the managers to workers. Is a continuous employment means employer assign the work to work to an employee is in a continuous. There is no non-stop. Is in a continuous work to an employee. So the reason a uninterrupted flow of the if any one place you stop to that and your work that work process is not completed, there is an uninterrupted production. Reduction in industrial disputes. Good industrial relation reduce the industrial dispute. The reason there is avoid the strike, lockouts, and go slow status, and there your grievances. So the employee is not satisfied that in your work for that time, he has to maintain announce for a strike, lockout, the restart of the productions, the close taxes and grievances. High morally, this the employee work with a great seal of their feeling in mind, the interest of the employers and employees and one and the same. There is an increase in your productions. There is a high morally. There is a high morally is a great seal to the feeling, mind, interest of the employee means is a avoid of the employer to fulfill the employee needs. So what do you want of the employee to fulfill the needs? For that time, there is no avoid for a strike, a lockout, there is avoid for that. There is an employer and employee is one and the same. There is an equalization between employer and employee. That is called on the importance of an industrial mental revolution is the main objectives of industrial revolution is a complete mental revolution of workers and the employees. Is an so work pressure for that time employees and more stress for the employer given a relaxation of meditation and yoga or any family tour or any free of workers. That is mental revolutions. New program for any worker development or introduce the atmosphere fees such as the training facilities and labor welfare facilities and workshop workers provided is a new program introduced for that time. We are given a training to the other places to create by an employers, their employer. That is a new program. You have to create a program to a new program to an employee. You have to get a new knowledge about from others. You reduce wastage of man, material, machines. You have to reduce the minimum of national interest is protected. You minimize the wastages, you get on more income. The reason you developed on economic development than economic. The reason reduce on your wastage, you get on your more production, you get on your more profit. That is called on reduce of your wastages. These employees generally employee perceived industrial relation as a means to improve the condition of employment. So improve on your employment, you get on your development, is the goodwill of the company, is a voice against any grievances, exchange view of and ideas and management and participate in organizational decision-making process. The employee participate in the industrial relation system through the associations or say a trade union. The reason employees. The employment voice and against and grievances exchange views idea with the management. The reason employee is one of the backbone of the industries. He has a backbone because he has to on the blood of the industries. He is a brain of the industries. So because he has to do on your work for the industry, otherwise will not complete the work. That is called employees. So then employer means an organization that is represented by management. Is association employer also association at the local industry and the national level. There is an example of a chamber of commerce and industries, Confederation of Indian Industries, Federation of Industry, Chambers of Commerce in the industry. These are the employees. So employer is one of the organizations, head of the organization that is called employer. So the corporate organization employee is represented by the management. So represented by the management is an association also that the association at the local industry national levels. Government is an important role of the government. Important role of what are the important role of the government means? Is in any one company you have to register. Is to follow the government rules and regulations. To follow the rules and regulations because that is employer and any one organizations to follow the rules and regulations, and the perspective for till the century of the government everywhere adopted policies is the industry tribunal wages code investigating and inquiry committee. These are the government role of the government. So what's the role of the government? To follow the organizations, to follow the rules and regulations of the to every one of the organizations. These are the because everyone get on your license. Any one organization get on your license that you do procedure to the production to introduce to the market. So government followed any one industry tested for only introduce of the product. The reason government. So what are the approaches? Psychological approaches. The conflicts between the reason conflict misleading is a misunderstanding between an employer and employee. So for that time, how to physically approach the management? Because every group of negatively perceives you the bigger of the other. The problem is further aggregated the various factors like the income level of education, communications, value, beliefs, custom, goals, person, and prestige, power, status, and factor. Both the economic and non-economic focus. Psychological approach is to avoid the stress of the employees, to avoid the physical effect of the employee. That is a psychological approach. What's the sociological approach? So the main function of industry is an economic. Is the economic is an income, your employee income is increased, is a living status also increases, buying bigger also increase. There is an economical status. There is a social consequence also important, such as urbanization and social mobility, housing and transport problem in industrial area. For that time, disintegration of family structure, stress and strain, and industries develop a new industrial social patterns, behavior pattern, new technique of handling human resources. These are the sociological approach. The reason here is in your social mobility is called on your sociological approach. Is in a separable from on your society with the functions. That is called on your sociological approach. Human relations approach. So isn't a major problem because in your one employer and employee is not at all for the time and a mutual understanding is and sometimes employee to employee misleading is a conflict for the time employees can't do anything for not to solve the problem is for the suffer from on your company because the employee is not doing production is in a strike and layoff means is a termination of the employee. So is a human relation of person is a very probability arising of tensions is which is created because of the employer pressures and work reactions protest and resistant to these pressures is a mechanism in the form of workers organizations and association and trade unions. These are the human relations approach because the employee and even problem approach to a union leader. So union leader approach to a manager approach to a managing director. Managing director is a director is a deciding upon an authority. That is a human relations approach. So resolving conflict, understanding of a human behavior, both the individual and group. So employee is a working of an individual or group is a prerequisite for the employee. Prerequisite employer provided is sweep for rent-free accommodations and furnished housing, rental free accommodation. There is a prerequisite for provided by an employer is education for person for employees child is provided education room. That is the prerequisites to an employee is the phone management. So for the management take of an approach. The system approach developed in a Harvard University 1958. This approach is the individual or part of ongoing but independent social system. The three elements of the system approach: input, process, and output. The factor system that the manager, workers, representative, and the government. These are the system of approach. So input is in the employer, is an output derived from an employee, then sent to one market, and together finally government also committed to for the system approach. This is the called a system approach. These are the environment, process of work, input of an employee, then production to an output, and the environment means is an other person, and the third party is called involved on employer government. So the Kandian approach, Kandian is in a non-violence. Because to avoid the violence to question so there is called on a Kandian approach. The employee follow the principle of trusteeship. There is no scope for conflict. So conflict is for all the institutions. It's a conflict created by an employee to the employer or employer to the employee. So avoid to compromise to only for a compromise to non-violence way. To follow the non-violence of the victim. Workers can use a non-cooperation is in a satyagraha to have the grievances redressed. Workers should research to strike and process after the employee failed to respond the moral appeals. So to avoid the more conflicts between the employer and the employee. Is in a non-violence because sometimes violence is created by any time because not controlled by emotional, not controlled by employee for that time. Violence also is doing for that place. So employer avoid the violence to follow the non-violence first to to convey the message to one employee, to call upon the employees, whatever grievances they collect from any information, then you solve for that any problem. So otherwise, not at all, not at all solve for the situations. Then again to complain to the court. The reason avoid violence to follow that can normally the is called on your Indian approach. Theoretical. There is a unitary perspective. The reason a unitary perspective means a core assumption of unitary approach to the management, staff, and all the members of the organization say share the same vision. Because I am one of the company directors. I introduce a new additional new product to the market. For that time, I discuss about the employee. Equally, give importance to only employee. So employees most intelligence is there, given a good idea. So the employee accept for that an idea to implement to the production. The employee also felt happy, and he have to more work out to the production, because the employer accepted the employee. So I worked out the success of the product. They keep it on a fixed for that and the mind of the employee. That is in a hand in hand. Two was the share the mutual goals between an employer and an employee. There is a loyalty of an employees. That is called an unitary. Is a pluralistic and perspective means is a being made up of powerful divergent and subgroup of management and trade union. The approaches in conflicts of interest, disagreement between managers and workers over the distribution of profits is a disagreement between on your employee, because this is a status is in a prestige problem. Is sometimes you have to prevent and a prestige problem that they created from on your conflicts between your employer and employee. To avoid the prestige that your employer maintain for equalization between the employer and employee for all the employee is the same level. You have to move for that, and a company is a goodwill. There is a reputation of the company. There is a great perspective on office rather than how many. The reason you one-to-one join, one hand join to another. The reason you one employer and employee join together for that institution, industrial relationship and a positive relationship. The reason a good relationship. The reason a good relationship management. So the reason a positive relationship is in a Marquis and perspective is an approach to industrial relations and a capitalization. The reason a capital who invests the money, the reason a golden method, the reason unavoidable, because he is not dominant to an employee. Is I mean nowadays there is no one employee and employee equalization. The reason all of the equal the relationship between the good relationship between the employer and employees. Then Mortis approach view with the power relationship between the two classes. One is an employee, there is an capital who invests the money to the industry. That person is called on your employee. There is investor capital. Employee is called on your labor. There is an industrial relationship between your employer and the employee. There is the theory. There is a narrowing approach. View industrial relation products are the outcome of the industrial conflicts. That is a Marquis perspective. There is an effects of your poor industrial relations. Is a multiplier effect. There is the direct loss caused due to the industrial conflicts in any one plant may not be very great. The total loss caused by a multiplier effect, the total economic is always very great. Is a fall in the normal tempo, is advisory effect, and normal tempo worked on to follow the employee one by one. That is called on a multiplier effect. Is a one-to-one relation to one one employee to another employee. There is one department to another department, one branch to another branch. Is a multiplier effect. There is a work follow to an optimum level also. It is a resistant of change. Dynamic industrial situations call for change or more of this continuously. Methods are to be improved. Economic are to be introduced. New product are to be designed, produced, put it in the market. The resistance is in here. And nowadays we are all used to from a computerized world. So you have to customer also taste and preference they change from time to time, change from one year time to time. So that you have every one industry to follow your latest technology. Customer also standardized in the product, because every day competitor entered the market day by day, second by second. So goodwill of the company, you have to introduce a new product for Indian, you follow for Indian new technology. There is a resistance of a change. Is a new the customer is one product is demand for that time, alternative you have to choose for a customer. So to avoid for this, so there is a resistance of a change. Then a frustration and social cost. Every man wants to satisfy his social ecologistic needs also. So when we find the difficulty in satisfying the needs, feels frustrated, they reduce the godility, they aggravate the social tensions. So the reason, yeah, frustration and social cost. Then the suggestion to how to remove, how to conflicts and avoid the conflicts, and how to improve industry. Both the management and union should develop the constructive attitude towards each one-to-one. Is all basic policies and procedure relating to the industrial relations is clear, and everybody in the organization, the union leader, is a personal manager should remove the distrust by the union of the company and integrity and his own sincerity and honesty. His sincerity and honesty is very important by any employee. So worker first you have in front of the punctuality keep up on your employer. So employee also followed by the punctuality. So employer is a must to follow the punctuality. There is any integrity, sincerity. Employees do the work in sincerity, honesty. For that, industry is there a way to develop them. So, personal managers should not view the union against the workers and both the organization. The managers should encourage the right kind of union leadership. The leadership and the right kind to an employee appreciate. There is a union leader to motivate the employee. There is a determining of factors. History of industrial relations. History means is already doing the work. You have to follow that. There is a relation between management and workers. Is based on they already you have to done for that. That any one the same incident. Incident is recorded in one book. You have to read for that and how to rectify the same mistake. There is a history of an industrial relations. There is a kind of military strike and lockout for that situation, how to solve it, what's the solution, you have to a previous record, you have to realize, then you have to find out the solution. Economic satisfaction of workers. Psychologists recognize the human needs. Certain priority need number one, the basic survival needs. There is economic satisfaction of one worker. To fulfill the employee workers' needs, the workers easily to implement the industries. Social and psychological satisfaction. Identifying the social and psychological use of a very important step direction of on your building and good the industrial relationship. The reason identifying the social, psychologically is and physically. The reason doing mentally is an avoid stress to do free mind to the workers. Of the job conditions is in a whole rather the separate characters is a differ from only employee to employee. There is an enlightened trade union means is an important conditions necessary for a good industrial nations a stronger ended labor movement. Is the negotiation skill attitude to the management and workers. Is the area industrial efficiencies come from a great variety of backgrounds in terms of training, education, experience, attitude. There is the management negotiating skills. Is the negotiation to one year management and the workers. To the there is any backgrounds of in terms of the employees. A given a training, a given promotion, educational, a given experience about a consider from your experience that in your attitude to follow the attitude. The industrial relations program is an industrial thinking. That is a individual thinking means is an imperative administrative considered for entire situations affected by any individual space. So employer to consider for all the employee situations. Policy awareness. Every one industry to follow the rules and regulation to follow the statutory requirement. So idea of consistency of treatment and predict value of any decisions of the management. So that is the policy awareness. Expected group reactions. There is a human nature. That is, the individuals related, the policy has been formulated and implemented. Some problem is in compromised within the second or within the establishment and developed for that and a problem day to day for that. There is a reaction balance. There is a human nature. The function is an administration include overall organization, supervision, coordination, industrial relation policy is analyzed outside the group, the department wise, and the drafting of regulations, rules, law, and constructing or interpretation, the position clarification, overall direction of an employee, salary, wages, the survey. These are the functions. So you have the appointment, you have the idea, organizing the industries, appointment of your staff, the right person appointed at the right places, and the coordinate, directing of on your employee, coordination, control, that is your functions of the industries. That is simply is called on your post-COVID. What's the basic requirement? Top management support is a basic important one. Functional scope is very important. Authority is in your top management. Personal policy is in your philosophy of an organization, guide arriving human relation decisions. It is developed in a professionals, intents and properly translated into the actions. The reason, yeah, basic requirements is in a detailed supervisor training. Anyone new employee appointed in the industry first give few days, give on a training to that employee. So the correct direction to that employee, you have to do is within the short period. Is the supervision to the supervisor not the correct direction to guide to an employee? That his work is not easily to finished. So follow the results, the constant review of industrial relations, existing practice. Check maybe exist the reason a practiced. Yeah, given a new now for a new golden method education he has to follow, but nowadays you have to follow the new technology. So you have to the follow a new technology wise, you have to supervise the train up the employees. Is a code of discipline. Is specific area obligation for the management. Is objectives of promoting, is a cooperation between the representative. Is a code of disciplines means is laid on the both the public and private sector enterprises. Is a policy and rules and policy procedures that differ from one industry to another industry. I followed is in your formal dresses I followed. Our uniform is followed by some industries not followed, but that and timing is differ from one industry. That is in a code of discipline. Then what's the objective? So mind, peace, and order industries. You have to the order for a discipline, you have a peaceful situation to created for a peaceful situations. Criticism all of levels of management and employed, the settlement of disputes and grievances, agreed procedures and avoid litigations, growth of the trade union, intimation, violation of the rules and regulation, industrial relations. These are the objective code of discipline. First, you have to frame the objective. If anyone, you have to first collect the decided what you do, where to do. First, you have to decide it, and best one you have to select it. Then you have to frame the objectives of industries, because the objective is you have to follow for followed and the collect the data, implement the data, and finally you conclude for the idea. So first you have to frame the objectives, then you follow for the industries policy. And then what's the principles? There's no unilateral actions. There is a connection with any industrial matter. Employee should not follow go in tactic, no deliberate damage caused at plant or property, acts of violations, action not to be restored. There is existing machinery is settlement of dispute should be utilized. Action that disrespect cordial relations should be avoided. The reason so discipline code is a differ from one industry. So you have to follow for anyone to follow the formal. Formal is followed for all the industry, because in a formal is an oral written communication to one employer and employee. Informal is an impostal. There is a relative, friends, and parent to involved with that. So all the principles of the industry is to follow that the rules and the formal of the rules. So industrial, finally conclusion for the day, industrial relation management means is the relationship between for employer and employee, and also government. So that is a good relationship for management. Thank you.